Methanol, also known as wood alcohol, is commonly used or found in industrial and household applications such as windshield fluid or biofuels. Methanol can also be a contaminant found in alcoholic drinks. Now, methanol may smell or look similar to ethanol, which is the alcohol found in alcoholic beverages, but unlike ethanol, methanol is very, very toxic when ingested. A potential lethal dose of methanol is somewhere in the range of 30 to 200 mils. So the danger or the toxicity of methanol is due to the way that it's metabolized in the liver. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to first compare how ethanol is metabolized in the liver and contrast that with methanol to show you the difference. So ethanol is commonly ingested in the digestive tract where it's absorbed across the stomach and intestines and sent to the liver. Here in the liver, ethanol is first metabolized by an enzyme known as alcohol dehydrogenase, or ADH. This takes place within the cell's cytoplasm. This is made into acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is then sent into the mitochondria of the liver cells and further metabolized by another enzyme known as acetaldehyde dehydrogenase, making this into acetate. Acetate is fairly similar to a molecule found in vinegar. So this can then be utilized in the body into energy fairly safely. Now let's compare that to methanol. Methanol, if ingested, also will be rapidly absorbed across the stomach and intestines into the liver. But methanol does a few different things. So methanol will enter the liver cells and will also be modified by alcohol dehydrogenase, but not into acetaldehyde, rather into formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is then sent to the mitochondria, again modified by another enzyme, acetaldehyde dehydrogenase, but in this case is made into the toxic product called formic acid. Formic acid is the acid found in ant bites. So when we get bitten by ants and that causes that really burning sting, that is because it's toxic to cells. So when methanol is absorbed and metabolized in the liver into formic acid, the formic acid then gets put into the blood, and this is where the problem lies. Formic acid becomes very toxic in the body. So when entering the eye, it causes oxidative stress in the eye, causing blindness. In the brain, can lead to CNS depression and moving into acidosis. So in the early stages of methanol ingestion, we're going to see early signs such as headaches, nausea, dizziness. This can be associated with effects on the brain, a blurred vision, which is the effect in the eye, but then rapidly progressing into an acidosis because formic acid is an acid which will drop pH and then ultimately lead to multi-organ failure if not rectified early. If caught early after ingestion, what can be done? The methanol can be blocked by this enzyme. So we can actually block this enzyme by a number of medications, which then prevents the formation of formic acid and all the downstream effects to the eye, central nervous system, and the metabolic acidosis effects.